C# property. What is a C# property? A property is a member who provides a flexible mechanism to read, write, or compute the value of a private field. Properties allow you to define getter and setter methods for private fields. Properties are often used to enforce data encapsulation, meaning sensitive data remain hidden from the user, and provide a clean and consistent interface to access an object's information. What is _fruitName? _fruitName is a field to store data. It has an access modifier that is private, but it can be public, protected, internal, private protected, or private internal according to the scope of the field inside the data on the page, and string is the data type of this specific field, but it can also be int, float, char, or bool according to the need of the data on the page. What are get and set in C# property? This is a C# property named fruitName. The get accessor returns the value of the private field _fruitName, while the set accessor assigns a new value to _fruitName. It provides controlled access to the field following encapsulation principles. How to use property inside the constructor in C#. This is a constructor of the fruit class that runs when an object is created. It initializes the private field _fruitName with the value passed as a parameter. This ensures the object starts with a valid fruit name. How to access a property in C#. A fruit object is created using the constructor and initialized with the value grape. Then, the fruit name property's get accessor is used to retrieve the fruit name. The value is stored in the fruit name variable. How to set a property in C#. This line sets a new value, apple, to the fruit name property of the objFruit object. The property's set accessor is called, which updates the private field _fruitName. This demonstrates modifying object data using encapsulation. What is auto-implemented property in C#? C# also provides a shorter syntax for properties when no additional logic is needed in the getter and setter. These are called auto-implemented properties. Summary. Properties are a fundamental concept in C# that helps you achieve encapsulation and control over the data within your classes. They allow you to expose a consistent and safe interface for accessing and modifying the internal state of objects. Thank you for watching this C# property tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more useful C# and .NET videos.